Good day, friends. I have new item, €7 for this camera. Let's check what's inside this box made by hammock. Oh, very nice. Even I have a tape and camera. Yes, a special camera. Wow. Stand by. frame lock or something. Okay. And tape inside. Yes. Canon. It's Canon. It's a Canon. Yes. Battery release. Battery release, but it's not a battery, it's battery charger. Yes, it's a battery charger, and we have plug-in. And we have some other interesting features. Yes. Okay. It's like very well, 6 volts. Complex manual. Power adapter. Okay, let's plug in power. And check this camera. Let's plug in power, friends. Okay. Let's plug in power. I don't know about the power. Play mode and eject button. Wow, tape inside hammer. It's very little tape. Yes, what's inside? Very well. I don't know what's happened. What's happened with this camera? This is a small battery, yes. And the camera model Canon UC X30Hi, made in Japan. Yes. Oh, we have a filter on it. Yes, and filter. And what we have inside? Nothing. Optical edit, eject, edit. If choose edit mode. Edit. I choose edit mode. Yes. Okay. And we have a we have a joystick even. Yes. We have a joystick, we have a menu button, and we have some kind of really interesting editing function: stereo, remote controller, and S video. out. Very interesting model. Light. Eject. Where can I find a record mode? Record mode. I need to find a record mode. Maybe this is record mode. Yes, record mode is here. This is a record mode, probably. This is a record mode. Well, it's a very interesting model. Eye control. Wow. I think it's a very interesting model, and maybe in the future we make a better test, full test of this camcorder, I guess, and choose off and choose record protection and joystick. Camera with the joystick, yes. And second scenes we're gonna test this camera, and also I have two batteries, Canon batteries. Yes. I have two batteries, and I have this. This is for battery, probably. Yes, it's battery protect. Cool. I have penning. It's Deutsch mark, like, or something. Deutsch money from Deutschland. Okay, what inside? Oh, I even have this, but about this later. Yes. Okay. Okay, and what is? What in this case? Nothing. And we have some tapes. What's on these tapes? It's very interesting for me. It's very, very interesting for me. And we have a manual. Yes, user manual. Wow. User manual. Wow. Cool. 1996. This one probably for 1996. Printed in Japan. Wow. And this one, cool. Also 1996. Oh. It's very, very cool. And we don't have a remote controller. Yes. Something we don't have this wireless controller, I mean. We don't have this, unfortunately. But it doesn't matter. I have great camera for €7. For that camera it really cost his money. I think so. Let's talk about this camera later. Sooner or later we're gonna talk about all my equipment. Okay friends, goodbye. See you in the next time in a new interesting videos. Goodbye. See you soon. Merry Christmas.